All right, so I was just trying to figure out how to put a subscription link into the description box on the videos I'm uploading. That way, if people look in the description, they'll see the subscription link and be able to click on it and subscribe. It seemed pretty difficult because most of the videos that I seen were from like a few years back. So I figured, why don't I make a how-to video? So we're going to keep this short, sweet, and simple. All right, so first, you're going to go to your Creator Studio. You're going to find your handle, right? Because this is the new way to do it. Get your handle, copy it. Then you want to go down, you want to go to settings and go to your upload defaults because this is how you can add stuff to automatically be put on videos when you start to upload them. It makes it a lot simpler moving forward. You want to go down to the description and put subscribe, whatever you want to put. I put subscribe and then put the YouTube website URL dash at your handle question mark sub underscore confirmation equals one. I'll put a link that you can copy in the description of this video, but you just put that in there. You can put it in all the videos that you've already uploaded. You can put it into your customization for upload defaults. That way, any video moving forward to be on there. This is how you make sure you got a subscribe link in each video so people can subscribe to your channel. Hope it helped you. Thank you.